So today's trading was, I would say, it was okay for me. I took a loss in the morning. Then I took a good trade, I would say, but it was just a trade because I just traded because I thought I lose the account or I made money now. So I took a trade because my distance to breach the account rule was $60. So yeah, I will explain how. Coming into the day, I was bearish because we were too bullish the whole time. We were bullish, but since yesterday we were bearish, and the news at pre-markets were really good. So we had a big retrace up and swept this buy side liquidity. And coming into the opening at 9:30, or for me it's 3:30, this liquidity sweep from the news. So this is the news, no, this is the news high, but this was the move up to the sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity. At the opening it got swept again, so the liquidity above this highs for short got swept a second time. And then I searched for a short entry and I found this one here. We broke structure to the downside on this candle and had this presented fair value gap, first present fair value gap. We go through it, respected it. I wasn't confident with this move because it goes through the fair value gap and then down. But I waited for another conference and then we made another break here. We got above this low, so I thought, okay, this is a perfect entry. I made my entry here on this candle and my stop loss above the presented fair value gap, and my target was this sell side liquidity. So it was the pre-market open, but I think my target was here. Yeah, I entered with 2 micros. This was my first target, this was my second target here. And I got stopped out because we respected this first present fair value gap from yesterday. And I didn't had it on my vision that this could be respected. So I got stopped out and lost about $160. And then I had only a drawdown for my drawdown rule for my challenge. I had only $60 open in drawdown, and then I would lose the challenge. So I tried to make some money so I can trade normally with 1 micro. And then I made here one trade after this break of structure, just a short, open a short to earn some money for the rule that I don't breach it. And then I made $20. I directly made my stop loss at break even. This was my target, but I closed it at break even. And then I know, okay, now we go to this sell side liquidity because this is a strong bias to the downside. We break structure here again. We break through this first presented fair value gap. And yeah, I made my entry then here. I needed to have it tight. Oh wait, what? No. After we hit into this first present fair value gap again and break through it, after this big reaction from this first present fair value gap, I made my entry at the opening of this candle directly and made my stop loss here. I would prefer the stop loss here, but I couldn't afford such a big stop loss because of the trading rule. That's why the stop loss was here. Yeah, like I said, $60 was my minimum to lose. No, after this trade it was $80 to lose maximum. So I needed to make my stop loss at, it was like at this level, because I thought, okay, if I win money, I'm back with the account. If I lose money, I lost the account and buy a new one. But yeah, I don't want to trade with just $60 drawdown. Yeah, So I traded and hit full TP. I made $260 on this account, and now I have, for my account rule, I have $300 to be in drawdown, so that's okay again. So I can trade normally the next few weeks. Yeah, I'm not happy with this trade. I'm not happy what I done today, but I needed to do it because then I wouldn't have had a chance to get my real money account, because I would break the rules of the prop firm, because this $60 drawdown is nothing. Like, you can't trade normally with a $60 drawdown. So I tried to gamble a little bit and made then here a second good trade, because we respected this Fairvalue gap and had a big reaction. Then I entered here. I was lucky that it doesn't hit this stop loss, and I was lucky that I got my full take profit. So I'm again up with the account, and I can now risk about $300 again. So yeah, and today's trading I made, now with the loss and the take profit in total, I made $73. Yeah, it's a really hard time for me, because I don't know, trading doesn't work for me. I'm too addicted to gamble. I'm too addicted to the money. But we will improve it, and I will see the results at the end of the year. And I know it's possible, and we will do it. Yeah, now I have the challenge again. No, not have it again, because I had the challenge, but now I have a normal drawdown rule. I can risk up to $300. After this trade, like I said, I only had the possibility to risk $60, and that's nothing. That's not a normal trading drawdown. So yeah, I'm not happy with this day, but I'm happy that I could make the money with luck back. And yeah, see us tomorrow or next week. Bye.